Obfuscation after the colon means muddling or dismaying or the action of making something obscure, unclear, unintelligible. So the form of illiteracy is to have a harmful effect, which is denoted by choice A, given as pernicious, and choice F, along with choice A, means the same, given as malevolent. Both of choice A and F mean having or showing a wish to do evil thing to others. So choice A and F fill the blank as correct answers. Choice A and F. On the other hand, as choice D and E mean the opposite of choice A and F, so they are to be eliminated. Choice D and choice E are to be eliminated. Besides, illiteracy cannot be a modern form to deal with this word. So choice B and C both are to be eliminated because they mean anything modern in the positive sense, and so they cannot fit the blank to make sense. So the choice answers are choice A and F, and choice B and C are to be eliminated. The correct answers are choice A and choice F.